back to my channel. I'm Alicia and I make sewing tutorials and DIY fashion videos. So can you guys guess the theme of today's video based on my clothes and my makeup? So today we're going to be making Halloween costumes. So for today's Halloween costumes, we're going to be going more of the cutesy route as I normally do. So today we're going to be making fruit berets. So we're going to be making a strawberry one, a lemon one, and also a kiwi. So the materials you're going to need is, of course, first of all, berets. So from Amazon, I got a pack of 6 berets. I'll put the link in the description if you guys want to purchase the same ones. I have the red one for the strawberry, and the yellow one for the lemon, and this tan one for the kiwi. And you're also going to need some felt. So I just got these from the dollar store. It came in a bunch of different colors. And you're also going to need a glue gun. So this is a no-sew DIY. So which one should we start with? I'm just gonna pick it randomly. Okay, so we're going to start with the strawberry one, and then do the kiwi, and then the lemon. This was actually the one I was the most excited for. So for the strawberry beret, you're going to need some white and green felt. So we'll start by making the little seeds of the strawberry using the white one. So I'm using a water-soluble pen to mark it. I'm just going to draw tiny circles that are about 1 centimeter in diameter. Just like that. So I made about 20 of these, and I'm just going to cut them out. So I ended up just cutting out 1 row. I think we'll be fine with just 10 little seeds. If I need to add more later, I'll just cut out some more. Now let's make the strawberry stem. So for the stem, it's actually, the strawberry stem is kind of like a flower. I don't know how to say it. Look at a picture. You see the stem is like multiple leaves poking out. We're going to make 4 little leaves. And I'm just going to cut that out. So now we got a cute little leaf. So I'm gonna make a little hole in the middle here, just a tiny snip. So like that with the beret, you can actually pass it through this little thingy. Cute! Oh my god, this is adorable. Okay, and now we're just going to place these little things. So I'm going to put 5 on the border. Evenly space them out like this. Then I'll add some more, a little bit more towards the center. Okay, now I'm just going to glue down these little seed pieces. Okay, and for the stem over here, I'm just going to place it on the bottom. And we're done. Okay, so the strawberry beret is done and it's looking super cute. So let's try it on. We're going to do the kiwi one next. And for that, we're going to need some of the green felt. So basically we're going to make like a circle to make the inside of the kiwi. And then for the seeds, we're going to use some black felt and do the same thing as the strawberry and like make little circles to make the seeds. And I actually want to be able to wear this beret after, so I'm not going to glue it on. I'll just pin it like that I can take it off because I actually like this color beret. Okay, so I put the beret onto the green felt and I'm just going to trace it. I'm just going to trace 1 inch towards the inside of the marking we just did. Like that, it'll make a tinier circle. And then I'll just connect the marking like that the circle is more visible. And then cut it out. So here's a tiny circle, and that's going to go on top like this. So next with the black felt, I'm going to make some little seeds. So just like the strawberry, I'll make 1 inch wide circles. I think I'll do 10 this time as well. So here are the little seeds. I made 10 of them, just like the strawberry. I'm going to place it onto the green part of the kiwi, and we're concentrating it on the middle. Wait, let's just get a picture for reference. Should I add a white circle in the middle? You know what? I think I'm going to add a white center as well. Yeah, let's just do that. I'll just hand draw a circle, I guess. So mine's about 2.5 inches in diameter. I'll just cut it out. Okay, so here's the little circle. And now to add it onto our kiwi. And then I'll place little kiwi seeds. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, I'm just going to pin it onto the tan beret. So I'll take some little pins over here. I'll just pin the ends. Alright, and here's the kiwi beret. And lastly, for the lemon beret, this one's going to be the easiest. So we're just going to add a little leaf on top. So I'm going to draw a little leaf. So this is the shape of my little leaf, and I'm going to fold it in half. So I leave like 1/4 inch of space right over here. Then I'm going to cut it out, leave a tiny rectangle where the space is like this, and then just follow the marking for the leaf. There we go. So now we have a 2-sided leaf. So to put it onto the beret is quite easy. I'm just going to glue the 2 leaves together like this. Like that's going to stay on. And there we go, that's it. Thank you so much for watching today's DIY video. As you may have noticed, my favorite one is the strawberry beret. It's just so cute. So tell me down below in the comments which one is your favorite as well. I'm actually quite excited for Halloween. Fall is my favorite season, also because my birthday is the day before Halloween, October 30. But also this year is, well, because of everything that's happening. I don't know about your country, but where I live in Montreal, we are currently into our 2nd lockdown at the moment. It started October 1st and it's set for now to only last until October 28th, but they might make it longer as well. We don't know yet. So Halloween might be canceled this year, sadly. And yeah, just stay safe for the Halloween season. You know, make a Zoom Halloween party. There's a lot of things you can do instead. We'll just have to make next year's summer and holidays twice as fun to compensate for this year. So if you want more Halloween DIY ideas, I have another video that I made last year. I made a Cinderella costume, a Totoro costume, and a Kiki costume that are from Studio Ghibli. So if you want to see that, I'll put it down in the description box below. So yeah, subscribe for more DIY fashion videos, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!